Hey guys, Brian here from Computer Cable Store, and I'm back with a quick video on two different styles of keystone jacks. Standard keystone jacks, which require a 110 punchdown tool, and the Networx SpeedTerm jacks, which use a simple tool to punch the entire jack down in one shot. Price-wise, the initial investment in the Networx SpeedTerm tool might seem scary, but the amount of time saved will make it an easy choice. You'll be able to finish punching jobs in a quarter of the time it takes using a traditional tool. It could be even faster since this comparison was done on a flat surface, which isn't something that's always available to installers. The unstable surfaces can also lead to jacks being broken, which the SpeedTerm Jack Tool eliminates. Cutting down on the repetitive motion of punching down can also help keep jobs running smoothly and making sure fatigue isn't a problem. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.